everybody, Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I thought I would shoot a short little video about this little organization box that I bought, that I filmed my latest haul, or me spending my gift card a little earlier. But I bought this from from Textielstad. It is a organization from the brand Gütermann. You probably can't see it there, but it was on the little pamphlet from Gütermann. And 27 of the threads are able to go in here. So I have my threads in like this little IKEA box or container, and I wanted to to organize them a little better. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show you. Hopefully, look, it's perfect. So I have a few of them right here. I'm not going to do any color coordination at this point. I'm just going to show you how I'm just adding them in here. I think I have 27. I might have some more, but I just started with one and then see what we do. Most of them, the Metler, the Gütermann, and I think this one was, no, this was Metler. I'm not sure what the name was of the other one. They all fit. They're about the same size. Oh, Aman is a little higher, but most of them fit. So I might even have more threads than I have of these types. I hope that the noise of the television doesn't get copywritten. Besides that, I'm reaching my max. I still have some more, so I think I'll just add another container in my next. I think I'll just add another container to my next purchase. So this is how it's looking, and then you can see all of the colors throughout, which makes it easy, and everything is nicely organized. So I still have a few more of the Gütermann in here. I think I have, let's see, 2, 5, 9, 11. These two are not even worth it, but I have 11. And then I still have some of those other brands, which are good as well. Those are polyester thread as well. So they're either Gütermann or R and S. So I'm going to check and see what type of container these can hold these, and then I'll have everything organized. That's it. 4 minutes of thread. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.